Doesn't that look delicious? That's shepherd's pie with caulimash on the top and a little bit of Gouda. It's got cream and butter, 7.5 carbs per serving. Easy shepherd's pie, ground beef. I'm using real chuck today, 80-20 mix. I've got the grill preheating to 350 degrees. I'm going to put the ground beef into a hot pan and cook it. Okay, this 1.5 pounds of chuck is nicely cooked now. I'm just going to take it out and put it on a plate. Okay, I removed the ground beef, put it on a plate, and I drained some of the fat. And what I'm going to do is add in some butter. And then I've got some garlic. We're going to saute that. 2 cloves. A couple of tablespoons or more of onion. And a small carrot. Carrots are kind of carby. And I've got some chopped celery. We'll saute this. It'll probably take about maybe 2 minutes. Okay, that's been about a minute. And I'm going to add in the herbs now to kind of mix it in with the vegetables. I've got a teaspoon of rosemary, and I kind of chopped it up kind of fine. And there's some thyme, and I chopped that up too, and some fresh pepper and some Himalayan salt. Well, this smells great. Talk about low carb comfort food. This is only 7.5 carbs per serving. I've got a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. In we go. And then I've got half a cup of bouillon, and I eat like better than beef bouillon, and 1 teaspoon in there. And we'll just pour that in. This is just packed full of flavor. Time to put the ground beef back into this mixture. This is nicely sauteed and it's reduced by about half. So toss this in and stir it around. Well, that's nicely heated and bubbly. I'm going to put it into a casserole dish now. There we go, that's looking really good now. This is my caulimash. I call it caulimash. It's actually a mashed cauliflower, but I just filmed this morning, and it's just full of flavor, full of butter and cream cheese and roasted garlic. And anyways, we're gonna put some of that on the top. I'm gonna put 2 cups on, along with the butter. There you go, I got it all on. I think I'm gonna put some cheese on the top of this. There, I put some cheese on it, and what I'm going to, you don't have to, but it's really yummy with the cheese on it. I'm going to cover it with foil, and this is at 350 degrees. I'm going to go for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes. It's still pretty warm from the pan. In we go. Okay, this shepherd's pie went for 35 minutes covered, and then I uncovered it for 10 minutes just to brown the top. You can see what it looks like there. And look at the Gouda. I put Gouda on, Gouda slices. And you should try my caulimash recipe too. It's always the first to go at a party. Doesn't that look delicious? Thanks for watching.